to another video. My name is Sandra.
Danny.
Christian.
Caesar.
Nayeli.
And Aaron.
So today we're going to do the 3 marker challenge. First we're going to start with the poop emoji. Okay, so.
Everyone get
Yeah.
Get one.
Alright, so let's
Let's
and these
start.
markers, they made them themselves with the, what's it called? You guys got for Christmas.
Marker
A
maker.
marker maker.
I don't know, whatever.
So we really
I
don't
only
know
got
what
one of these.
kind of colors this are.
I'm pretty sure this is orange or yellow.
I got green, blue.
Let's just start
Not
to
yellow. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Scared. Let go.
red, green.
What color did I
This looks kind of reddish, so. And it's gonna come out horrible, but
Mine too.
you're in my way. Move your head.
Yeah. I'm diving.
You're gonna win.
I'm diving.
Okay.
Look at the mouth. Hey! Can you?
Yeah.
I can't do this. Should I paint? Mom, too bad. No.
You're almost finished.
Maybe I'm gonna be the first one done.
Maybe.
Oh, Mom. Look at mine. It's okay, I'm almost done.
Oh my god.
It's
It's
the
the
same
same
color
color
except
for that
one. Ow, I hurt my finger.
You're done?
Oh, she's done her pen. Now you green or blue?
Never colored this much.
That one.
I
Use
never
this
had
one.
colored this much. Never in my life.
My neck. My hand hurts.
Mine too.
Mine turned out ugly.
Huh?
Mine turned out so ugly.
Mine too. Mine turned out so medium.
Mine turned out so
Mine looks better.
So guys, this is ours.
This is what mine turned out to look like.
This is how mine
This
turned
is
out.
Aaron's. This is mine.
This is
mine.
mine.
Purple.
This is
I
mine.
think this
Mine.
one's the best.
This looks
Mine's
like
the best.
blood. This looks like
Yeah, I think that one
back.
won. Comment down below which one is your favorite.
Yeah.
Comment
Comment
down
down
below.
below.
Poop or chocolate came
So
I
the
think it's
next
a chocolate.
one that we're gonna do,
It's
it's Sandy.
Daddy.
Is this 3?
Yeah.
Yes. Drop 3
Wait, are
markers.
these the same colors?
Try.
I got 2 yellow.
Twice. 3 markers.
Oh, it's orange.
I'm hiding them.
I got the same color, just like I got in the poop
Close your
emoji.
eyes.
I got the same color. Got yellow.
I got you right.
What's this? 1, 2.
Then you are 2 red. 3.
I got 2 and they're the same.
Mix 'em
Got
up. Mix 'em up.
yellow, blue,
Okay. You come. Okay.
I got blue, purple, and pink.
I got red, and green.
I got yellow, orange, and blue.
I got yellow, orange, and blue.
And I got green, and blue.
Green.
Yeah. Again. Light green and dark green.
Here, right here. That's yours. Right there.
Okay.
These are yours.
Let's start.
I'm sorry.
I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna put this orange, this yellow. What is it? Orange, yellow.
I mean,
I'm bad.
No, that's mine. That's yours.
wait, we have the same color. Oh my gosh, that
Why does it say go?
Yeah, right.
Oh wait, this one color's weird.
I know.
Whoa, how do you do this? I'm gonna color it on purpose.
Oh my god.
Yenny,
Mine's
I
turning
I can mix
red.
mine up and it's gonna be a 4-color challenge.
Fit.
Kneel down.
I wish I
I'm gonna
could.
try to do something. I'm gonna try
I
to
could
do
not.
green.
Hey, I can actually.
Daddy, I did green.
Wait, you made it green?
Yeah.
She's ready.
Red. Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wrong color.
Is Mom gonna get mad at me?
For what? Someone took my cap. I can't
I didn't
find it.
even got
Here.
some paint
That's
on
not.
my
That's
hands.
not mine.
Maybe it's not too far.
Researched all over.
Did I find it?
Wait, I have it in my hand. Oh no.
Yours looks better than mine.
Like Lenny's.
I like mine.
I haven't even finished yet.
You have a lot to do.
Me too.
I don't.
It looks like a boy.
Oh
one.
no, I don't.
You
Yeah.
done?
Yeah.
I don't know what color I'm gonna paint the face.
Naya, look.
It's blue.
Naya, Naya,
Huh.
mine ate so many cheese puffs.
Oh, yeah.
You know how they're orange?
We have to.
Uh-huh.
Or some whiskers. They look like whiskers.
Oh yeah, I forgot something.
Wait, can I drop fire on her shoes?
Well, it's fire because she's flying. She's flying, that's why I'm doing fire.
Little copycat. That's what I was gonna do.
Then it looks like she's flying.
Oh,
That's what I was gonna do.
And Michael Flatton has whiskers. Ooh, I really want to do that one right now.
Mine is PJ Masks.
PJ Masks. PJ.
I don't know. Look at my hair, it's different now. I'm bored.
Wrong one. Okay, I'm okay with that.
Okay, you
I'm
can
done
show it.
with mine.
Comment down below that mine's there.
Mine ate so many cheese puffs.
Mine did it.
Mine has a mustache.
Oh, that's so
She's
weird.
really going
She's
down.
floating.
Alright, the
Fine.
next one
It's
we're gonna do is SpongeBob SquarePants.
No! And because they're still good color. They're colorful colors.
sure I see them.
Okay.
Got red, blue, and
One.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
How about
Yes.
Oh,
Darn.
nice colors.
That's
Close
right.
your eyes.
No peeking. Go.
Hey, look, it has a burger on it.
One.
Burger on it. I can't pronounce
2, 3.
got yellow?
Yeah.
Really? It's not yellow.
Okay, mix them up.
To the
Orange.
no.
No, that one's bad.
2,
Red.
3.
You got your yellow.
Oh my gosh.
get it. Start coloring.
Okay, start coloring, guys.
Da-na-na-na-na.
Well,
Wait,
SpongeBob is yellow,
Danny.
so.
Danny,
Yeah.
it's a pretty patty.
Yeah,
Ah.
Pretty
Pretty
patties.
patties.
I'm gonna make pretty patties. They're so
too.
pretty. Mine's gonna be a rainbow patty, so that's why
Should
they're
I
pretty.
color SpongeBob?
No,
Yeah.
you shouldn't. What color should I color SpongeBob?
Color him purple.
This color. Wait, what is it? Wait, what color is this? It's gonna be a pretty patty.
At you.
Oh.
Guys, look at mine. Mine looks good.
So
Sure. Just kidding.
Mommy, mira.
Do his underwear.
Should I color his
It's a
eyes
shirt.
purple?
Question.
I don't like the color. I got.
Isn't his shirt white?
No.
Yeah.
Isn't his shirt
Brown.
white?
Brown.
Brown.
Oh yeah, it is
No,
white.
it's some brown.
Yeah.
His shirt's
The shirt's
white. I don't care. I'm making mine awesome.
Okay.
That's like did you? I feel like the color right now.
I think I know which
Huh?
color.
The
This color. And it's gonna look like a girl.
I'm done.
Well, I'm still working on his face.
I probably got on him.
Tráelas, no va a servir, necesito control.
I'm gonna wait. I go first. Yeah.
De ahí lo sacaron.
So, I run the Fondizer to make it look like he was dizzy or hypnotized. Wait. He's dizzy. Oh yeah, mine has a pretty patty.
That's how mine turned out.
He's a look. He's the chosen
This is
one.
how mine turned out.
And that's all hers turned out. Guys, this is the end of our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what you guys want us to do next. And
We'll see you
don't
guys on the next video. And remember,
forget to smile.